Can just $1 actually make you passive income online? That's exactly what the $1 cash system promises, and I decided to take a closer look to see if it's legit or just another too good to be true offer. So here's the deal. Most beginners trying to make money online struggle with the same two problems: getting approved to promote affiliate offers and actually getting traffic. It's hard to compete with big affiliates who have email lists, YouTube channels, and massive social media followings. But this system flips that on its head. With the $1 cash system, you don't need any of that. No list, no YouTube channel, no social media. In fact, you don't even need to promote. Dawud and Charles Draven actually send the traffic for you. All you do is sign up, get your affiliate link, which they guarantee approval for, and paste it into their system. That's it. They handle the rest. And the craziest part? You keep 100% of the front-end commission. So if you make just one sale, you've already made your dollar back and you're in profit on the next one. You also get 5 bonus trainings with your purchase stuff, like Panda Payments and Best Ever Bots, that teach extra methods to bring in income, including with chatbots, review sites, and low-content books. Now, let me be clear. This isn't some magic push-button software that prints money overnight, but it is a fast-track entry into affiliate marketing, especially if you've been stuck trying to figure it all out yourself. The training is simple, beginner-friendly, and best of all, it's just $1 to get in. The pros? It's affordable, hands-off, and perfect for total beginners. The cons? You don't get full control over the traffic process. You're relying on them to send it. But honestly, for $1, it's a low-risk way to test the waters and maybe even build momentum. So if you want to check it out, there's a link below. And I've also included some exclusive high-value bonuses to help you make even more with it. You can grab access, test it out for a few days, and keep my bonuses either way.